What is that? A battery of EMF and internal resistance connected two resistors in parallel. Oh, great. First, we have to draw the circuit. So, circuit is like this. Here is a battery where two resistors of in parallel, right? And there is a battery positive, negative, positive, negative. Internal resistance is of 2 ohm, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
2 ohm. Internal resistance is 2 ohm.
Yes, sir.
So current through the battery in the circuit. So EMF is how much?
Sir, EMF is 16 volt.
EMF is 16 volt. So we can use the formula, and the resistors in parallel are 3 ohm and 6 ohm. 3 ohm and 6 ohm. So net resistance is equal to 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 6. So 1 upon R is equal to 6. 2 plus 1, 2. Net resistance is 2 ohm. External resistance. So I is equal to epsilon upon capital R plus small r. Right? So 16 volt upon 2 ohm plus 2 ohm. 16 volt upon 4 ohm is equal to 4 ampere. So current in the circuit is 4 ampere. ठीक है? PD between terminals of battery. Okay. So current is 4 ohm. So voltage drop a voltage drop small v is equal to I into small r. So 4 ampere into 2 ohm. So it becomes 8 volt. So terminal voltage V is equal to epsilon minus voltage drop. So 16 minus 8 becomes 8 volt, right? 8 volt. The current in 3 ohm resistor. So across the terminal of battery, across the terminal of resistors, potential difference will be 8 volt, right? 8 volt. So,
Excuse me, sir.
huh?
Sir, for finding this voltage, terminal voltage, I have written that V is equals to IR. So sir I 4 है और जो R है वो 2 नहीं ले सकते क्योंकि इंटरनल उसमें पूछ रहा है बिटवीन द टर्मिनल्स और इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस
हमने
2
पहले
वोल्ट का है।
वोल्टेज ड्रॉप निकालना है ना, फिर उसके बाद टर्मिनल वोल्टेज निकालेंगे ना। तो पहले
सर
वोल्टेज ड्रॉप में इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस तो 2 ओम है ना, 2 ओम है ना।
यस सर
तो करंट इनटू 2 ओम बिकम्स 8 वोल्ट, इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस 8 वोल्ट का हो गया। तो वोल्टेज
यस सर
ड्रॉप तो टर्मिनल वोल्टेज क्या हुआ, वोल्ट मतलब ईएमएफ माइनस टर्मिनल वोल्टेज, सॉरी
यस सर
वोल्टेज ड्रॉप। तो 16 माइनस 8 बिकम्स 8 वोल्ट ना।
यस सर
नाउ करंट अब यहां पे क्या होगा, I is equal to I in resistance is equal to 3 ohm. Voltage is 6 volt, sorry 8 volt. So I is equal to V upon R, right? So 8 by 3, तो कितना हो गया? It is 2.66 ampere, non-terminating, right?
यस सर
Then the current in 6 ampere, 6 ohm. Now this was part A, this was part B, this was part C, and now we have part D. So there is I in 6 ohm is equal to 8 upon 6, right?
33 amp
So 1.33,
यस सर
ये हो गया 1.33 एम्पियर, ठीक है। तो
यस सर
इसमें जो करंट है वो 1.33 एम्पियर, और इसमें जो करंट है वो 2.66 एम्पियर, राइट।
यस
टोटल करंट इन द सर्किट इज 4 ओम ना।
total current in the circuit is 4 total
4 ohm.
resistance in the circuit is
So
4
that's why I is equal to 2.66 plus 1.33. It becomes 4 ohm. Sorry, 4 ampere, right? Non-terminating numbers hai, that's why it is coming in fractions, right? मतलब it is 2.66 plus 1.33 becomes 3.99, which is approximately 4 ampere current in the circuit. Getting?
yes yes sir
Okay. This was question number 27.
yes sir
Okay. आओ इधर आओ। An electric plus rated electric press rated 750 watt is equal to 230 volt, right? So calculate the electrical energy consumed in 16 hours. Time is 16 hours, right? 16 into 60 into 60 seconds, right? And
Yes, sir.
there is P is equal to VI.
Yes, sir.
P is equal to VI. So I is equal to P upon V, right? 750 upon 230 volt. This is the ampere. Current is flowing, right? So W is equal to V I T, right? So this is V is 230 volt into current is 750 upon 230 into 16 into 3600, right? This is cancelled out. So how much you get? 750 into 16 into 3600. What will be the value? Oh my God. Sorry.
Sir, I think so. We will keep it 16 and we will not multiply it by 3600.
Yes. We take it in our, we keep it in our, we keep it in our. So it will be watt into ampere. No, volt into ampere is watt. So it is watt hour, right? So when you keep this like this, it is 16 times 80, 8, 7 times 16. Watt hour,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
तो मसला गंभीर हो गया.
Sir,
अच्छा,
actually 16
8 will be added in here. 16 times 7 becomes 112 plus 8 is added, it becomes 120.
Yes, sir.
So it becomes 120, right?
Yes.
So work is work is 12 kilowatt hour, right? Work is
Yes,
in
sir.
kilowatt hour. So I made the silly mistake. 16 5 times 8 5 times 16 becomes 8008 carry. 7 times 6 becomes 112 and 8 120. So it comes 12,000 watt hour, and that converts into 12 kilowatt hour, right?
Yes, sir.
I hope you understand.
Yes, sir.
Better understand. आ जाओ. Now you come to question 300, page number 300.
Yes, sir.
Right? Question number 9. Should I rub?
Yes, sir.
Question number 9. A piece of ice is added to 200 gram of water at 50 degrees Celsius. So ice may be at 0 degrees Celsius, right?
Yes.
And mass is 40 gram,
Got it.
right?
Yes, sir.
And there is water
Sir.
that
Temperature
its mass is
200 grams.
200 gram, and temperature is 50 degrees Celsius, right?
Yes, sir.
So we have to find final temperature. So find temperature of mixture. Temperature of mixture. Let it be T. Let it be small t degrees Celsius, right?
Okay.
By principle of calorimeter, heat loss by hot object is equal to heat gain by
Cold object.
cold object, right? So there is m into c into delta t means 50 minus t is equal to 0 degree ice will come 0 degree water. So m into L plus m into c into t minus 0. Getting?
Yes, sir.
I hope you understand me. Because first ice will convert, this ice will convert 0-degree ice, convert in water, 0 degrees Celsius. So Q is equal to ml, and 0 degree water will convert into water at T-degree Celsius. So Q is equal to M into C into delta T, right? So how much you get? Mass of water is 200 gram, so it is 4.2 joule per gram per degree Celsius into 50 minus T is equal to 40 into 336 joule. There is given, हाँ ठीक है,
330
हाँ 336 joule plus
into 10 to
40 into 4.2 into T, right?
सर 336 into 10 to the power 3 दिया है.
हाँ
336 into 10 to the power 3 दिया है.
अबे वो जूल केजी में लिखा है, हम सबको ग्राम में रखे बैठे हैं, तो हम ग्राम यूज करेंगे ना. वो जूल पर
ओके
के,
सर.
तो हमने सबको ग्राम में लिया हुआ है, तो हम ग्राम यूज करेंगे, राइट?
यस सर.
200 into 4.2, oh sorry, 200 into 4.2 into 50 minus T. You take 40 as a common, it becomes 336 plus 4.2 T, right? 5 times 40 becomes 200, right? And it is 21. 21 into 50 minus T is equal to 336 plus 4.2 T. We multiplied it, so it is how much? 0, 5 times 1, 10. 1050. 21 5s are 105. 10 we have taken. It becomes minus 21 T is equal to 336 plus 4.2 T. अब इसको इधर 1050 minus 336 is equal to 21 T plus 4.2 T. So how much it is? 25.2 T, right? So T is equal to, how much you will get? 1050 minus 336, 714. 714 upon 25.2, right? So it is divided by 25.2, right? It will come 28.33 degrees Celsius. Fine. Hello.
यस सर.
So what is your temperature?
Sir, I'm doing it.
Okay, keep doing. $714 upon 252